Hello friends, in this lecture we will see how to create radial pattern and concentric zigzag pattern, how we can select. If you will go and select this contour area option and just click OK, and under this pattern, in this non-strip cut pattern, see here we have follow, periphery, spiral, profile, jig. Concentric and radial is not available and I want to activate it. I want to add that option in this. So what we have to do, just go to file and here in utility we have customer default. Under customer default, go to manufacturing, and in manufacturing select operation, and from operation switch on this option, allow legacy drive method for fixed contour, apply, okay, and close. Now uh, I have to restart annex, so wait. Now I have restarted this annex and let's see. In mill contour I'm using contour area, and my working folder is directly I'm using here NC program. My tool is ball mill. Workpiece is my working geometry is this, and method I'm using this finish. Okay, now see here we have this, and it is not still not visible. So let me check. Go to customer default and under this operation switch on these two option. Okay, so still it is not visible. A cut pattern is not visible, only this option are there. So go to this option and from here customize dialog box, and here you will find this boundary drive method, cut method, and add this. And where you want to add, okay, here we have some options, like I want to use this under this, so click here and it is changed, so cancel it, click it again, and I want to add this cut method and add to dialog. Okay, see the cut pattern is now added on the top and all the options are here. And now I am using this concentric zigzag, and my geometry is tangent face. Okay, part stock, I don't want any part stock from the main. My method is concentric zigzag, inward, step over stand, and generate. It is not properly visible, okay, because of this Step over, I'm going to change it 25 and path smoothing and generate it again. See, now this is concentric jig. If you will see, go to this replay and play. Now, first it has cut non-steep area, then it will start for non-steep. See here we have the order: steep first, or we can change top down depth first, and this concentric zigzag. And for this steep area, no need to change, just generate. Okay, so in this way we can create the concentric jig option for the part.